Hi! In front of me is iPad mini 2021 and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen view on this device. Firstly, select one of your apps, for example Files, and open it. Now you need to open Smart Bar over here and drag one of your apps to the top right or left corner. When you see this blank area over here, you can let go, and as you can see, now I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps to the side and let go. Then go back to the main screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!